Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can get a Japanese display name on Roblox. So the first thing that you will do is make sure that you have your Japanese characters already. So you can just copy them from a reliable online source. So for example, uh, on Google Translate. So I want something like a cute name. So let's say, I mean, anything could work actually. It really depends on you. So what you will have to do is just copy your desired display name. And now that you've copied your Japanese display name, you will just have to go to your settings, which is right here. And then you will just have to click your display name. And then you'll just have to paste it. So it's really as simple as that. And by the way, your display name can only be changed once every 7 days. So you have to make sure that if you've already changed your uh, display name a few days ago and you have to wait more days so that you will be able to actually change your name. And yeah, that's basically just how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.